matter? She doesn't like my turkey roasting pan. What is that? What is it?
Maybe she smells like old turkey on her or something. I don't know.
She does not like that pan. I think it's just big and unfamiliar. What is it? What's the matter?
Let's see what happens.
Are you scared? It's all right. It won't hurt you, baby. Maybe we should put it on the floor and let her sniff it. It's got to be washed anyway.
She can't hurt it.
No, she can't. It's all right. It won't hurt you. There, go have a sniff. It won't hurt you.
I think it's probably an odor that she doesn't like.
What? Well, that and it's just big. Big and black, and she's never seen it before. She says, all right, I'm bored now. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt you.